This is the Furlizer cot folding bed with mattress, a practical space-saving solution for hosting guests or creating an extra sleeping spot at home. It features a tri-fold design, which makes it easy to set up when needed, and just as easy to fold away for storage. When not in use, you can tuck it into a closet or corner, making it a great option for smaller spaces. The included mattress adds comfort right out of the box, so you don't have to worry about buying anything separately. It's designed for adults and supports up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for overnight guests or occasional use. One of the most convenient features is the built-in wheels. You can roll it in and out without heavy lifting, which is especially helpful when moving it between rooms or storing it away. I like that it balances functionality and simplicity. It's sturdy enough for regular use, but still lightweight enough to handle easily. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-store guest bed that you can quickly set up when needed, this folding cot is a smart and convenient addition to your home.